Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Joby Beamo. This is the Beamo Studio Deluxe lighting kit. It was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing with you this video so that you can make an informed buying decision. So this is a tabletop video lighting kit for video creators, and it consists of a really nice stand with a weighty base and a couple of lights. I'm going to show you it in action in this video. It also has a handy smartphone holder, and you can use it of course in combination with your smartphone for live streaming, or indeed as a separate light for use alongside a video camera. This is the box it comes supplied in. If we take a look round on the back here, you can see some of the main features. So we've got the main key light, which you can adjust the temperature and also the brightness. We've also got the accessories, which I'll show you very shortly. And you also get a background light, which has 10 brightness levels and 12 different colors as well. And that's to add in sort of some different sort of color rendition to the video that you're recording. So without further ado, let's take a closer look. So here we go. This is the Joby Beamo Studio Deluxe lighting kit. Now inside the box you get a USB-C to USB-A cable. This is used for the secondary light that you're seeing just here. We also get some sort of regulatory information and also a quick start guide for getting you up and running. It's really easy to put together. It's just a matter of mounting this column here to the base, which is a really nice weighty base, and then mounting the main light on top. We've also got this accessory just here, which consists of what looks like a single leg from a GorillaPod and this smartphone mount. And this allows you to move this around, get it to the right angle. It's also got this spring type action, nice padding, and we can mount our smartphone in here. And the idea behind this is if you were sitting in front of your smartphone recording a video in portrait or landscape mode, you've got a nice light that's lighting up your face. So really nicely laid out. The secondary light is very nice as well, because that allows you to add some color sort of cast to your videos. The main light is a nice large panel. It's got some nice diffusing to it as well, built into the front. And we've got this little remote control. It is hardwired, it's not wireless, but this little control has just got 4 buttons on it. One button turns the light on and off. The other button cycles round the color temperatures, of which there are 3. And then the other buttons are to increase or decrease the brightness. And we'll go back down to the lowest brightness, like so. Very, very easy to control. And then the controls for the little spotlight, which is just here, are very similar. So we have got an on-off button. So we can turn this off by holding the button in. We can turn it on by holding the button in again, if I get the right button. And then we can cycle round the various colours. So we've got various colours that we can use. We've got green, another green, blue, darker blue, very dark blue, purple, magenta, pink, red, yellow. Very, very nice selection of colours. And then we can, of course, with the other buttons, either increase or decrease the intensity of the light. And it's a really nice lighting setup. You can also, of course, this little tiny light, you can angle it accordingly as well. A really nice setup this. I like the way they've combined 2 different lights, one for giving you the sort of main lighting to your subject, and one to add a little sort of bit of accent colour as well. I think overall this is a great setup for if you're doing sort of home produced videos. I think it works brilliantly and makes your videos look a whole lot better. This is the Joby Beamo, and I can highly recommend it. If you want to pick up one for yourself, check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.